How to remove see options from Facebook friend request. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the see option button from your Facebook friends request section. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before we start anything, let's understand why you see options instead of add friends. So this happens due to the privacy settings. The other person that you have restricted can't see the add friend option in your profile. So here to fix that, you simply have to open the Facebook app. Now here make sure that you're logged in with your account. And once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings and privacy section, you simply have to scroll down, and there under the audience and visibility, there you can see the option labeled as how people can find and contact you. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as who can send you friend request under your friends. So simply tap on it. And now here, if it's set to friends of friends, then change it to everyone and simply save it. And here, after changing the settings, you can simply go back and refresh your Facebook profile. And after that, you will see that see option button will change to add friends for other users as well. And that's it. That's how you can remove see option from your Facebook profile and bring back the add friend button easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.